Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. So are you using Odoo to manage your business activities? Then this video is definitely for you, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Odoo leads to Google Sheets for easy reporting. So I am an owner of a business and I manage the activities of my business using Odoo. Over here what I want is that as soon as a new lead is added in my Odoo account, I want to create the data of that lead, a record of that lead in my Google Sheets. Now doing this manually is a very time consuming and hectic process. So to solve the problem, I built the connection between these two applications without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. Now whenever a new lead has been added in my Odoo account, automatically the record of the lead's data is going to be added inside my Google Sheets. If you want to learn the entire process of how you can build the connection for your business as well and want to see how this amazing automation will work in real time, I'm going to take you towards my screen. So welcome to my screen everyone. First of all, I'm going to show you how this amazing automation will work in real time. Okay, I'm going to generate a new lead inside my Odoo account first. Firstly, it is asking for the title of my lead. So for the title over here, I'm going to write it as bulk order inquiry. Okay, we have to give the company name. For the company name, let's suppose I'm going to write it as XYZ company. For the address, I'm going to write it as one new town. City over here is going to be Indore. For the zip code, I'm going to enter a dummy zip code right over here. For the state over here, I'm going to select it as Madhya Pradesh. Country is going to be India. Okay. Now next over here it is asking for the contact name. For the contact name, let's suppose I'm going to write it as best lead. For the email address, I'm going to write it as best5@pabblytudes.com. And for the phone number over here, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right here. After that, it is asking for the priority. Priority is high, so I'm going to select over here as high. You can see it says lead created. As now this lead is created, now I'm going to open my Google Sheets. And yes, in my Google Sheets, automatically you can see the record is successfully created of this same lead. This is the lead ID, name is best lead. This is the email address, that is best5@pabblytudes.com. This is the dummy mobile number, city is Indore, company is XYZ company, issue is bulk order inquiry, and priority is high. Okay. So as you can see, the record is automatically created. This is how this amazing automation will work in real time. Now let us build this automation. Okay. For that, on a new tab, I'm going to browse the website of Pabbly Connect, that is www.pabbly.com/connect. As I'm going to browse the website, Pabbly Connect's landing page is now going to appear in front of you. Before we create this amazing automation, I want to tell you about Pabbly Community. Pabbly Community is a space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can get help not just from our team members, but also the fellow users. In this space, you can share your ideas, give feedbacks, and ask amazing questions as well, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community today. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Now let us create this amazing automation right over here. On Pabbly Connect's landing page, you will find two options. One is sign in, other one is sign up for free. If you're an existing user, that means you have a valid Pabbly Connect account, you can sign in directly from here. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month to start and find amazing features of Pabbly Connect. I'm already a user, so I'm going to sign in to my Pabbly Connect account. Then you will find the All Pabbly Apps section in front of you, where you can see all the applications that Pabbly provides. As I want to use Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on this Access Now button right over here, and then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. Now to create a new automation inside Pabbly Connect, we have to build a workflow. For that, click on this Create Workflow button on the top right corner. If you want your workflow to be more modern, faster, and flexible, you can select the new beta method version from here. But if you want your workflow to have more stable and familiar approach, you can select the old classic method. I am going to build this workflow using the new beta version. Okay. Now firstly, it is asking for my workflow name. So for the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Add Odoo Leads to Google Sheets for Easy Reporting. Okay, so this is the name of my workflow. For the folder, these are the folders from which I'm going to select this workflow's name. Over here, if you want to categorize the different workflows according to different categories, you can create your own folder. For that, simply click on this plus button right over here and name your folder, and your folder is created. Okay, now I want to create this workflow, so I'm going to click on this button and the workflow is automatically going to be created. Over here in Pabbly Connect, we have two major steps. One is trigger, other is action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows them simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple actions inside a workflow. Okay. Firstly, it is asking for us to set up our trigger. Over here for the trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as Odoo right over here. I want that as soon as a new lead is generated inside my Odoo account, automatically this trigger should capture the response of that. Okay. And for my trigger event, it is going to be configure webhooks. With the help of webhook, we can build the connection between an application and Pabbly Connect. That is why over here we are going to select configure webhooks and click on this connect button. And this is the unique webhook URL right over here using which we are going to build the connection. Copy this URL from here and log into your Odoo account. Okay. Inside Odoo, we have to go towards the CRM section right over here. Okay. After coming to the CRM section, what you need to do is you have to switch to your Odoo Studio. For that, you will find this option right over here in the top right corner. Click on this button right over here. Now you are into the studio. After coming to the studio, from the panel, go towards the automation section right over here. And now inside automations, we are going to create a new one. For that, click on this new button. Okay. Firstly, it is asking for our automation name. For the name of the automation, I'm going to give over here as new lead created. Okay. Over here for the trigger, we have to select the option under custom on create. Whenever a new lead is going to be created, automatically data is going to be forwarded towards the URL. That is why for the trigger, we are going to select it as on create. Okay. Now it is asking for add an action. For that, click on this add an action button. And firstly, it says send a name. For the name over here, I'm going to select it as send webhook notification as we want to forward this new lead created data towards this URL. That is why for the action, we're going to select send webhook notification. For the URL field, paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. After entering the URL, it is asking for the fields. Which fields data do we want to send towards the webhook URL? For the fields over here, firstly, I want to send the lead's name. So I'm going to search for the name and select the data of this contact name right over here. I also want to send the display name as well. So I'm going to select it as well as the company name. So I'm going to select all these details. Okay. And also company. I'm going to select it. Okay. After selecting all the names, I will write over here, I want phone number. So I'm going to select over here phone number of my lead. I want email address of the lead as well. So I'm going to select the email address. Over here next, I want priority. So I'm going to search for priority and select it. Okay. Now I have all the details. I'm going to see. Yes, I have all the details right here that I want. After selecting all the details, I'm going to click on the save and close button right over here. Okay. As soon as I'm going to click on the button, this automation has now been successfully added inside my Odoo account. So if I'm going to take you back to the workflow that I've created and scroll down, it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether Odoo is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a new lead in my Odoo account. For that, I'm going to simply close the studio right over here and click on this new button. Okay. Now let us create a new lead. Firstly, it is asking for the display name of my lead. So for the name over here, I'm going to give it as seasonal offer interest. Okay, this is the name. For the company name over here, let's suppose I'm going to give it as ABCD company as the name. Okay, for the address, I will write over here as A1 Old City. Okay, now it is asking for the city. For the city, let's suppose I'm going to select Bhopal. For the zip code, I'm going to enter a dummy zip code. For the state over here, I'm going to enter Madhya Pradesh as the state and the country is India. Okay. Now over here it is asking for the name, contact details. For the contact details over here, let's suppose the name is test lead is the name. For the email address, I'm going to write it as test44@pabblytudes.com. For the phone number over here, I'm going to enter a dummy mobile number right over here. Now over here it is asking for the priority. I'm going to set the priority over here as high. Okay. As I filled in all the required details, it says lead opportunity created. As now this lead is created, I'm going to open my workflow and scroll down. And yes, you can see the response of the new lead created has been captured. Priority is 3, that is high. This is the phone number. This is the company name, ABCD company. This is the ID of the lead. This is the email address test44@pabblytudes.com. Display name is seasonal offer interest. Contact name is test test lead, company ID is 1. You can see right over here with all the other details. As now the response has been captured, this is how you connect Odoo to Pabbly Connect. And as we have received the leads data, that means the connection between Odoo and Pabbly Connect is now successfully done. Now simply what we need to do is we have to add the lead data from Odoo in Google Sheets. For that, add an action step from here, and action application is going to be what? Google Sheets. So I'm going to select over here Google Sheets as my action application. Event is going to be add new row and click on this connect button. Now over here this window is going to appear. If you have created a connection before of Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, you can select the existing connection from here, but I'm going to create a new connection. I'm going to click on this sign in with Google button next. Now it is asking for us to choose an account. Which account do we want to connect to Pabbly Connect? This is the account. I'm going to select it. And then it is asking for the permission for that account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this allow button, and as soon as I've done that, you can see Google Sheets is now been successfully connected. After connecting, firstly it is asking for us to select the spreadsheet. For the spreadsheet over here, I'm going to select it as leads details. So what I'm going to do is for the spreadsheet, I'm going to select it as leads details, because in this spreadsheet I want to create the record. And in this spreadsheet, I've created a single sheet in the name of sheet 1. So what I'm going to do is for the sheet, I'm going to select it as sheet 1. Then it is asking for the lead ID, name, email, phone number and all the details. So what are these fields? These are the headers that you are going to create inside your spreadsheet, and under the headers, as you want to create the records, so we are going to simply add the details under these headers. Now for the data of all these fields, I'm going to map the data, which is inserting data from the previous step. Simply click on this field, the previous step is going to appear. Simply click on it, the response that is captured in our previous step is going to appear. Okay, in the response I have received the lead ID, you can see right over here, and as I want to create the record of this lead, the response that we have received in our previous step, I'm going to select the data from my previous response for this lead ID. Now as I have selected the data from my previous response, this data right over here has been mapped. And as I've mapped this data, the data has now become dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I'm going to map all the details right over here. It is asking for the name, so I'm going to map the data of the name. I'm going to map the data of the email address right over here as well. Similarly, phone number, I'm going to map the data right over here. But over here for the phone number, the problem is that we have received the phone number with the plus sign ahead. If you're going to add this number in our Google Sheets, we will receive an error. So how can we resolve this error? For that, simply over here in this field, firstly we have to add a single colon. After adding this, we are going to map the data of this phone number. Now there will be no error. Okay, so you have to do that as well. Remember. Okay. Next, it is asking for the city. So for the city over here, I'm going to map the data of the city that I've received. For the company name, I'm going to map the data of the name of the company that I've received right over here. Issue is going to be the display name, so I'm going to map the data of this issue right over here. Next, it is asking for the priority, for which I'm going to map the data of the priority that I've received. Okay. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to simply click on this save and send test request button right over here. I've received this response, which is a positive response. So I'm going to open my Google Sheets, and yes, you can see the record has now been successfully created. This is the lead ID, this is the name, that is test lead. Email is right over here. This is the phone number. City is Bhopal, company is ABCD company. Issue is seasonal offer interest, and the priority is 3. Okay. As now this response has been added over here as a record, this means the connection between Odoo and Google Sheets has now been successfully created. Now whenever a new lead is going to be generated or added in my Odoo account, automatically the trigger Odoo configure webhooks is going to capture the response of that. As now we have the leads details, to create the record, we are going to use Google Sheets add new row action. And in this manner, I build the connection between these two applications without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Connect. So if you have any of the questions while I was creating this amazing workflow, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section below, and we will reply to you as soon as possible. Now, if you have any of the ideas for us to create any videos on, you can send us all the ideas in the comment section below, and we will create a video for you. And if you want to use this workflow in your business as well, you will find the link of this workflow in the description section below, and you can use it yourself. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, you can send us email on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can ask us queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel and hit the like button down there.